today we're going to talk about sound energy. Okay, so before that, I want you to cover your eyes for a moment. What do you hear? I think you hear a dog barking or a crying baby. And a phone ringing. Sounds are all around us all the time. There are so many of them, and we call sounds by a lot of different names. Like traffic jam. Cars, we call them sometimes noise. And the sound of ukulele, we call it music. There are also the sound of fireworks, popcorn popping, and bells go ding-a-ling. Sound is a type of energy made by vibration. When something vibrates, it moves really fast, so fast that we often cannot see it moving. But other parts of our body can sense the vibration. Can you guess what is it? Yes, our ears. To understand more about vibration, try to feel your throat. And then try to talk with sound. Hi, hello, hi. Do you feel something? That's vibration. Now, try to talk without sound. Do you feel something? No, right? So there's no vibration if you talk without sound. So next time you hear a sound, you know that something is vibrating. That's how sound works. For your worksheet today, you have to practice pictures. You can color them and decide whether each picture produces sound energy or not. If it produces sound energy, put it here. If it doesn't produce sound energy, you can put it here. For example, this guitar. Does it produce sound energy? Yes, it produces sound energy. Now, how about this lollipop? Does it produce sound energy? No, unless we bang it on the table. But if you don't bang it on the table, it doesn't have sound, right? Okay, so it doesn't produce sound energy.